Hi there, it's Francois here from the Green Homestead, and recently I took my homestead off grid. As you can see over there, there's a couple of solar panels on the roof. So in this video I'm going to show you what I'm going to do to build a lightning conductor to take the lightning away from the solar panels and my solar, and to protect all the delicate electronics in the inverter and the batteries, the solar panels, and the rest of the electrical system in the on our homestead. Okay, so this here is a CCA treated 76 by 38 beam that I've got here. So I choose a special for a very specific reason, the CCA treated timber, and that is that it would last longer out in the elements, in the sun and the rain and the wind and so on. Okay, so first off, I want to isolate the lightning conductor from the wood. That's why I put this piece of conduit, and as you can see I put in small pieces of steel just to tighten it. So I've cut a groove, apologies, I've cut a groove here in the wood, and I placed this wheel. As you can see, it's got some wood chipping teeth, wood cutting teeth on the angle grinder, the small angle grinder. So I put it in there so that it will stay in place. The reason for the groove is to prevent the rod that I'm going to place inside this conduit not to tilt to the side or something like that, especially when a bird come and sit on it, or in heavy wind and this so on. Okay, so here I have just a piece of round bar. It's difficult to see now on against the ground. This piece of round bar is about 3 meters long, so I know it's overkill, but I want to stick it far up into the air so that this rod will be the highest point in the vicinity, so that it will hit the rod and not accidentally hit my roof. Okay, and here on the bottom I've made 3 brackets, and I will install it on this 3-point installation piece, which I will set against the wall, apologies, something like this, and that is in the gable of the building that I'll put that one, so that this wooden beam, the metal rod, will stick far into the air. And then the last piece that of this lighting conductor is a 16mm copper wire that is running from the metal rod down the wooden post, down the wall, and with a earth spike into the ground. But in the next section I'll show it to you, the final, the final installation part. Okay, so installing this lightning conductor took me the entire day. So as you can see, here is the earth spike, or earth spike. It's 1.2 meters long, and I've driven it into the ground. And there you can see it's a 16mm cable, and there it goes into conduit, running up the wall. There I mounted it on a 3-point mounting piece to move it away from the from the wall to clear the roof. As you can see, over there is the conduit that I showed you earlier this morning, and there goes the rod into the sky. So I'm going to get up onto the roof to show you what's happening on the roof. Okay, so here I am on top of the roof. This is now the lightning conductor from the other side. As you can see, clear skies. But as we move around, you can see how overcast it is. Let's hope we'll see a lightning strike or one or two over there. The weather is quite pretty and I'm expecting some heavy rain. And as you can see right here on my solar panels, and that I need to protect against the lightning. Let's see if we can get just one or two lightning flashes. That you see there on the horizon? There's another one. You can see over there in that direction is a couple of lightning flashes already. Okay, that one was just over there. Beautiful. I love a thunderstorm. I absolutely love thunderstorms. Oh, that was a beautiful one. Anyway, so this is exactly the reason. There's another beautiful one. As you can see, it's awesome lightning over there. As you can see, that is the reason why I've installed this lightning conductor. So in the next half an hour or so, it will start raining over here. And let me get off the roof and pack away my tools. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Okay, one more thing that I forgot to show you. Whoa, that was a beautiful lightning. Anyway, one more thing that I forgot to show you is, as you can see, over here runs a bare copper wire and it's connected there to the solar panels. So this goes over the roof and it connects this section over here, and there it goes around the corner, and it goes down. You can see there at the corner is it going down, and it's similar as the one over here, as this one. It just earth pick goes into the ground. But the reason for this one is because this is regulation, and this is the minimum requirements to protect your equipment against lightning. So this is the minimum requirements, but I decided to add a little bit more protection. Right, now I'm greeting. Oof, that thunderstorm over there is awesome. Anyway, goodbye, God bless you, enjoy, happy homesteading, and I hope you'll be off grid soon. If you're already off grid, you can tell me about it in the comments, or tell me how do you want to go off grid. So I'd love to see your comments on this video. Okay, God bless you. Subscribe, like, all those nice things. Bye bye.